Hello and welcome back to the Finboot Dictionary. Today we are going to talk about digital assets. Digital assets have many definitions and most of them are right. Today I'm going to guide you through one use case example that is digital assets in supply chain. So imagine a car goes through manufacturing, goes through delivery and then goes through usage. For us, a digital asset of that car will be the digital representation of all that process. Through data gathering of the manufacturing and also the delivery and also the usage, we can get a complete vision of what that physical asset means on a digital environment. This is the most accurate definition of digital asset in supply chain. If you want to know more, please contact us here at Finboot and follow us for more videos. Thank you.